So today I'll be showing you how to play 2-player co-op in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So the first thing you have to do is add the other user. You need another controller or another keyboard and mouse set to play. So since I have another controller, I'm just going to add my friend who's sitting right beside me, have them switch on their controller and log in to their PSN account. And once they are logged into their user account, all they have to do now is press X on the second controller, and that should either prompt them to log in to their Activision account, or if they're already logged in, it's just gonna you can see the Activision ID right there, and all they have to do now is press continue. And then you have these two-factor authentication. You can skip that, just select not now, and that's it. So now all you have to do is select one multiplayer mode. Just go to quick play, and now you should see in the upper right side of your screen we have both players set up. Okay, so now let's just start a match. You can see we're already two of us in the lobby, and everyone else has joined. So let's just start this mission. Now of course we're gonna have to start the equipment, and now you can see we're now playing in 2-player mode. That is basically how to play 2-player mode in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Thanks for watching and good luck.
We're losing Charlie.